In this program, we are going to learn about practical question number 28, that is write a C program to check prime or Armstrong number using user defined function. So this is the question given as a practical question number 28. So let us go for application. Right, this is what the question. So there are two questions embedded in this. One is called checking prime as well as checking Armstrong. So individually we can call there are two programs, but the question is combined together. It's a one question, single line question. Okay, so as include stdio.h, I'll be adding as include math.h. Somewhere I will use some power function, then sorry. So this is what the background. So before going to this, the question is related with the user defined function. So I'll be defining integer check prime. I'll be taking P capital, so which will take one number and which will produce, as well as I will go for integer check Armstrong, then that also takes one number. So this is what the case. Here I'll be defining integer n is a variable which I would look to take. So printf enter a positive integer, right? So scanf of %d comma address of n. So this is reading is been done. Now I'll be taking flag is equals to check prime of given n value. If n is prime, we will get some inputs. So if flag equals to 1, then I say printf of given n is a prime number. Otherwise means for this else printf given n is not a prime number. So here I'll take slash n in both the lines. Whether it will be true, I don't know. So this is what the base logic of the program. So here the main ends, I'll be writing the function called int check prime of integer type n is a variable. I'll be taking internal variable or local variable called to be I, comma flag is equals to 1. Sorry, spell got mistake. Flag equals to 1. I am taking two variables. So I will check if for loop I will be taking, sir. I equals to 2, I less than or equals to n by 2, I plus plus. So I am not going to include 1, I am not going to include the value called 1, and I am also not including the value called n. So if n percentile I double equals to 0, so automatically there is a factorial, then I will be saying flag equals to 0. It is my assignment. So if it is happens, so simply break the case. Then if we are writing two statements, so I will be deleting this, sir. Then after the break I will add another bracket for if. So then here I will write return flag, right? File, save. This is program number 28 prg28.c. So let us save the program. Program got saved. Then compile this. Now run the program. So I'll take 11. 11 is a prime number. Done. I'll run this program again. 9. 9 is not a prime number. So it's working fine. Okay. The same way I have to take another variable. With the same variable I'll run the same code. Here also I'll be going with after this condition I'll go with the same. Flag is equals to again check Armstrong of integer n, right? Check Armstrong. Okay, that is what I am checking here. Done. So the same case I will copy. Instead of prime number I will write Armstrong number. I am copy pasting so that you can understand easily. Okay, there is nothing more than that. Just I copied, I had mentioned the case. So I'll be going with again another user defined function to be defined, that is called, as we declared, integer check Armstrong of integer, say n, then open flower bracket, declaring some variables called integer original Armstrong number. I have to take, I'll take some temporary variable. Then I would like to calculate remainder, then say result. Okay, result will be 0, remainder I'll take, that's it. Okay, so I'll be copying original is equals to n, whatever the password number is there, that n I am copying. So while our original, I am not using that n value, original not equals to 0, I am using the while loop here, sir. What I need to calculate, remainder, whatever the number given, for that I will be calculating original percentile 10 I want to calculate Armstrong number, hence I will say result is equals to result plus REM into REM into REM. Reminder to be calculated for 3 times. I'll say original is equals to original by 10. So this is what the code written for this. Now question comes is, now if result and n value both are same, flag should be 1, else flag should be 2. Sorry, return flag. This is what the code with us. Let us see, file save, then compile. So it has been calculation, no, not declaration. It has been calling that function, that's why it won't have int. Here I forgot to close. $153 is not a prime number, that is what displayed. File to be saved. I will rerun. 17 is a prime, not an Armstrong number. And this is what the program number 28 given to us in the curriculum.